So let's see this question. So here question says, if 50 less had applied and 25 less selected, the ratio of selected to unselected would be 9 is to 4. Yeah. Ratio of, pay attention, ratio of selected to unselected. And here you have some information of, applied and selected. So how do you get this information of unselected? So obviously think about it. You think about it. Now there is no formula as such, but you think about it. Selected, unselected should be the number of people applied minus number of people selected. Do you agree? Okay. So in that case, if I want to have the ratio of selected to unselected, selected to unselected. So this should be what? Selected by applied minus selected. It's one of the same thing, right? As per the question, the ratio of selected and unselected would be 9 is to 4. Would be 9 is to 4. When if 50 less had applied and 25 less had selected. So it means that there must be some number of applied people and selected people already there with the data. I mean, that data should be there. Then only we can say that, okay, if 50 is subtracted from applied and 25 is less means subtracted and 25 subtracted from selected, and then you calculate the ratio of selected to unselected, you get 9 is to 4. लॉजिक समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं बताओ? हाँ, बहुत बहुत डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, समझो इस बात को. If 50 less had applied, अब 50 less had applied, you will be able to say only when you know how many people have applied. Do you agree? So if I assume that, okay, A number of people applied and S number of people got selected, then here, this new data which they are talking about, they are talking about what? They are talking about what? They are talking about the new data which they are talking about is nothing but A minus 50 and the applied people A minus 50 and the selected people what? S minus 25. Don't get confused here. This is S. This is not 5. Okay. This is S. You want to assume some other variable, you can. I usually prefer to assume the variable as initial of the word. It become easy. Okay. So now if we have this new data, then according to this, the ratio of selected to unselected should be 9 is to 4. Okay. That can be said as selected by A minus applied minus selected. अब इसकी क्यों जरूरत पड़ी? Because we don't have any direct information about unselected. That's why we have to use this to get unselected. यहाँ तक ठीक है? Okay, चलो. Now, this is with the new data, by the way. This is with the new data. The new applied, the new selected. Yeah, dash. देखो वेरिएबल क्या अज्यूम करना है, दिस इज कम्प्लीटली ऑन यू. आई एम नॉट टीचिंग इन दिस क्वेश्चन, आई एम नॉट टीचिंग हाउ टू अज्यूम वेरिएबल. ये अपने ऊपर है. हाँ, ये मैं इतना स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिख रहा हूँ बिकॉज I want to explain this concept to you. I want to explain, explain the solution to you. So 9 by 4 is what? 9 by 4 is nothing but if selected are 25 less and applied are 50 less. ये आ रहा है समझ में? Yeah? Are you getting this? 9 is to 4 is the ratio of selected to unselected only when you consider 50 less applied and 25 less selected. Correct? Okay. So, ये दिया. अच्छा, what is the next information? This is obviously not enough because you got two variables. So you are supposed to have two conditions. Then only it will be easy to or possible to find out the value of each. So second condition क्या? How many candidates had applied if ratio of selected to unselected is 2 is to 1? How many people have applied if ratio of selected to unselected was 2 is to 1? अच्छा, ये दिया हुआ है. Ratio of selected to unselected. Unselected मतलब applied minus selected is given as 2 is to 1. It was 2 is to 1. तो initially ऐसा था. ये मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, ये क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है. ओके, सो डोंट से कि आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हो. क्वेश्चन सेड इट वाज, तो पहले ऐसा था, अब नया ऐसा हो गया, न्यू डेटा ऐसा हो गया. Easy है. Now having this condition I can simplify and get the value of a upon s. अब ये या तो आप थोड़ा लॉजिक लगा के भी ला सकते हो और यू कैन सिंप्लीफाई द इक्वेशन एज वेल. आप समझो यार, अगर सिलेक्टेड टू अनसिलेक्टेड, ये आपका अनसिलेक्टेड, दिस इज अनसिलेक्टेड राइट. अगर रेशियो ऑफ सिलेक्टेड टू अनसिलेक्टेड 2:1 है तो अप्लाइड होना चाहिए, सिलेक्टेड टू अप्लाइड डेफिनेटली होना चाहिए 2:3. कैसे यार, ये है आपका सिलेक्टेड, ये है आपका अनसिलेक्टेड. अब अप्लाइड क्या होगा, सिलेक्टेड और अनसिलेक्टेड का सम. तो 2+1 कितना हो जाएगा, 3. दैट शुड बी अप्लाइड एंड सिलेक्टेड एज इट इज 2. या सो ये मैं लॉजिक लगा के भी बोल सकता हूँ. और इफ यू डोंट बिलीव मी यू कैन सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन एज वेल. इक्वेशन सॉल्व करोगे कैसे बनेगा बताओ. इक्वेशन कैसे सॉल्व करोगे, यू कैन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. सो एस and then this 1 multiply here, so you got s equal to twice of a minus s. अभी देखो इसको भी सिंप्लीफाई करो. सोचो यार, अच्छा लगता है क्या ऐसा इतना सब पढ़ लिख के एंड देन यू आर डूइंग ऑल दिस स्टेप बाय स्टेप? अच्छा लगता है क्या? नहीं ना. यूज दिस लॉजिक. ओके, इफ आई टेक दिस सिलेक्टेड दिस साइड, सो इट विल बी 3s इज इक्वल टू 2a. अब मुझे बताओ s अपॉन a कितना होगा. सो s अपॉन a के लिए आई नीड टू टेक दिस a इन डिनोमिनेटर and this 3 over here, so this will become what, 2/3, right? यही तो मैंने पहले बोला था. इस पार्ट को फिर से रिवाइंड करके देखना कि ये मैंने कैसे निकाला यहाँ पे. ऑलराइट, ओके. Anyway, we are not done yet. So you got selected by unselected as 2:3. Now I can use x, assume that assumption method. You remember in ratio proportion we have discussed that k method, right? तो अगर मैं k मेथड यहाँ पे यूज करता हूँ, k मेथड यूज करता हूँ यहाँ पे, तो I can say s is equal to 2k and a equal to 3k, where k is what, a multiple constant. आपको k यूज करना है, x यूज करना है, it's completely up to you. Okay. Now if I substitute this value of s and a in this condition number 1 which we had earlier, what will I get? What will I get here? What will I get here? Substitute karo. So this will be 9/4 equals to, substitute, 2k minus 25 by 3k minus 50 minus 2k minus 25. Now what we'll do, we'll open the bracket. So here you got 9/4. Here you have 2k minus 25 by, simplify karo, 3k minus 50 minus 2k plus 25. सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, क्या आ जाएगा बताओ. 2k minus 25 by k minus 25. अब आगे क्या करना है? आगे आप खुद समझदार हो यार. क्या करना है आगे? सिंप्लीफाई करो, k का वैल्यू निकालो. सो इफ यू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, व्हाट यू गेट हियर, 9k minus 225 equals to, 4 मल्टीप्लाई करो, 8k minus 100. चलो ठीक है. Let's take k same side without k other side. So you got k equal to what, 125. Is it enough? Is it enough? No. What is the question? Question है हमें ये k मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन कांस्टेंट फाइंड करने के लिए नहीं बोला है. क्वेश्चन सेड फाइंड आउट हाउ मेनी कैंडिडेट हैड अप्लाइड. हाउ मेनी कैंडिडेट हैड अप्लाइड मतलब a का वैल्यू फाइंड करना. नाउ a, वी गॉट a एज 3k फ्रॉम हियर, राइट. सो a इक्वल टू 3k, k का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. कितना सिंपल हो गया देखो, 3 into 125, बताओ कितना होगा, 375. दैट्स योर आंसर. डू वी हैव दिस इन द ऑप्शन? चेक करो ऑप्शन में है क्या. यस, वी हैव ऑप्शन नंबर सी. दैट्स द आंसर, राइट. I hope that's easy, not very difficult. So let's see the next question.